Am I going to be able to put this together? What do you think? Wish me luck.
Check in the text below and I'll provide a link where you can also buy this product or similar. I purchased mine at my local Walmart. I believe that many department stores and box stores have items similar to this. Looks as if we have the lampshade. Little thank you card. Some hardware. Shelf C. Part B. The lamp, I think they call those a heart. Instructions. Part A. A cord that's attached to, not this part, another part A. A cord seems to be attached to part D. Actually, no, the cord is not attached to part D. Looking at the big pieces A through J, I'll try to put them out on the floor in the same way. I do have two A's, the B, the C, and the D. This E tube, I don't have an E on this, but I'm assuming and hoping this is the E tube. This is the F swing arm. The bulb is not included. Then this is the harp H, and this is the shade I, and this is the, I think it's called finial for J. It was actually already screwed on top of the harp, so if you're looking for it, check there. I have placed the smaller pieces the same way. I do have 8 of the bolts. They actually gave me an extra dowel. The screws, the brackets, and then those are supposed to be with the power cord, and then the Allen wrench. I like these instructions. It has really nice diagrams. Everything's labeled with the part, letter of the alphabet or the number. Looks pretty simple. The only confusing thing is they list all of the parts right underneath that, and it kind of ran together right there, so that's just to be separated. They're listing the parts you need underneath the number. Nice. So it looks like I put a dowel in there, and then those two pieces go in here like this. I'm going to put screws on that end. And I'll use the Allen wrench for that. Carefully flip it over. Put another bolt in. They have to be lined up exactly right. I didn't have it lined up well. It actually ended up easier to put together than I expected, except for the screws. I just don't do well with screws, but you'll see. Another dowel. The other A piece. Line it up in there. bolt. Finally, last one. Now part C goes into the slots on the A's. There we go. Now D goes on top using the dowels. It's looking like a nightstand. Now let's get the lamp part on. Oh, first we have to put brackets on. So they go on the opposite sides. So take the brackets and the small screws for these. Parts 3, there's 4 of them, and part 4, there's 2 of those. I'm going to turn it upside down because it says it may be easier that way. It already has little holes for you on opposite sides. Definitely not getting that in straight. That was easier. Well, it's not straight, but it's in there now, isn't it? Well, that is not pretty. That is definitely the hardest part for me, screwing anything in is. But you know what? If it holds together, don't care. It's upside down. I had 4 bolts left over, and I realized I skipped a step. I did not put the 4 bolts in underneath here, so I'll be doing that. Then after the top goes on, you put other 4 bolts up underneath it, right in here, using the Allen wrench. I don't know why they couldn't just drill holes and give you bolts to put in for this. Much simpler. Now to insert the support clips into the top ring of the shade. They go all the way to the top. Come here. Yeah, that looks better, doesn't it? So the white things go all the way to the top. Now they just kind of run all the stuff together down here with the electrical stuff. Let's see what we have here. This is part F. Yeah, there we go. Part E. Yeah, there's the wing nut and the plate. So the cord is supposed to go down through here. And this is supposed to go up underneath it. So I guess that means I need to take it off first. How? I guess that's how. And it goes back. Slide this back up. A lot of fun trying to do this with 2 hands. And then that screws on there, I guess. Be easier to have 2 people put this together. They barely give you enough room in there to tighten that up. Okay. All right. Next, we have this part. Next, we have this part. Goes down in there. I guess it just fits in there because you're supposed to be able to twist this around wherever you like. I'm putting in a light bulb that I know works and using an extension cord that I know works. Test this thing. And it works. So I'm going to put this on and shade. And the way these normally work, you take the sharp ends, push it down, then that comes over it to hold it. Same thing on the other side. That comes down to secure it. Lampshade goes down. Screw comes through the top. And twist this to secure the lampshade. And if all goes well, I'll take all these little stickers off. I ended up having extra screw, extra dowel, and extra bolt. That's what it looks like, completely finished. So nothing fancy, but it's going to do what I needed to do, I believe. That works. Thanks for watching my video about putting together my new nightstand. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, check in the text below for a link on how to get one like this yourself. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. Bye.